G'day guys, well tonight I'm cooking up my favourite lamb roast. So I'm just going to peel some veggies. We're going to cook up some sweet potato, we've got onion, we've got pumpkin. We would have had some carrots, but we forgot the carrots and there's no local store here. And Rick, well, he was going to dig some yams, but he hasn't got around to doing that either. So we'll just get these peeled up. That way I can get the fire stoked up a bit more, get some more coals going, because we want that nice and hot to cook up the meat when we're cooking it. So once you finish chopping up the veggies, then you add a bit of water, and I'm going to put a touch of beer in there as well. Now, then I'll go and sit it over near the fire, which is next to the other camp oven. Well, the veggies are sitting over there waiting now. So I'm just going to get this garlic peeled, and what I'm going to do is actually slot it into the side of the lamb leg. And then I'm just going to cut a couple of little slots. So you just tuck them in all around. And that gives it a bit more flavour through the meat. All right, well that's got the garlic all in there. Now I'm just going to put some rice oil all over it, just to give it a good wipe in. And then we'll drop it over in the camp oven, pour a bit of beer over it. Make sure you've got a bit of water in the bottom of the camp oven so it doesn't all burn in there, because it can get really hot at times. Now I reckon probably an hour, hour and a half, and this will be pretty well cooked through. All right, our leg of lamb is now in the camp oven. So make sure you always preheat your camp oven too. Gee, she's a bit of a big one, this one. So what I'm going to do now is I've got to get the fire prepared. So I'm going to bring the coals over this way, put the flames over that way, and then that way I can make a bit of a bed of coals for this to sit on, and then I'll put some on the top of it and let it cook. I'll check it in about half an hour. All right, it's been half an hour, so we'll check it out. Ooh, that's hot. Clean some of these coals off. We don't want to drop them in for a bit of flavouring. All right. Oh, how good is that? That's what you want. You want it to be looking like that. We can actually whack a few veggies in there with that now. So I'll get that ready. All right. Rip that one over to there. Tom, can you grab us another beer, please? Thank you. You've got this. Good stuff. That just gives it that bit of flavour. Probably another 20 minutes and should be good. We'll be eating. All right. Well, this should be done. Ho-ho, looking good. Righto, let's get this out, chop it up, and feed these animals.
That is awesome.